One of the best drinks for losing weight and burning fat, especially belly and side fat, is green coffee. In this video, I will explain how to use and when to use green coffee to burn belly fat. If you are looking to burn belly and side fat, don't miss the video and watch it until the end. One very important point is that if you want to lose weight or burn belly fat faster, you must first have a healthy diet and exercise along with it. It should also be said that there are many teas and ingredients to lose weight and speed up the process of losing weight and burning fat, one of which is green coffee. So remember that green coffee alone is not slimming, but it increases the speed of fat burning, and you should also pay attention to the foods you eat. First, let's talk about the benefits and important ingredients in green coffee, and then I will explain how to use green coffee. Green coffee, due to its high levels of chlorogenic acid, can help reduce the accumulation of excess fat in the body. This compound not only helps increase metabolism, but can also prevent the absorption of sugars and fats in the intestines. 1. Increase metabolism and fat burning. Speeding up the metabolism process is one of the magical properties of green coffee for weight loss. The active ingredients in this coffee, especially chlorogenic acid, stimulate the body's metabolic system. This helps the body burn fats faster and produce more energy. By increasing metabolism, the body naturally burns more calories, which is especially beneficial for people trying to lose weight. 2. Another prominent property of green coffee for weight loss is its ability to control blood sugar levels. In this way, chlorogenic acid helps reduce the absorption of sugars in the intestines, which prevents severe fluctuations in blood sugar in the body. And it is important that by controlling blood sugar, people feel less hungry. This in turn causes calorie consumption in the body to decrease, and as a result, the weight loss process occurs. This property is especially important for those who suffer from diabetes or insulin resistance. 3. Reduce belly fat. Research has shown that regular consumption of green coffee reduces belly fat. As you know, belly fat is one of the dangerous fats that is associated with problems such as heart disease and diabetes. Therefore, by regularly consuming green coffee due to its fat-burning properties, you can see a significant reduction in this type of excess body fat in a quick period of time. 4. Increasing energy levels and concentration are other properties of green coffee for weight loss, in addition to increasing the body's metabolism. Green coffee increases energy due to its caffeine content and helps people to do more sports activities and thus burn more calories. Also, by increasing concentration, people can train better and use their maximum potential. 5. Improve mood. You may be interested to know that another benefit of green coffee for weight loss is its positive effect on mood. Because the caffeine in green coffee causes the levels of happy hormones such as dopamine and serotonin to increase in the body. In turn, this increase in hormones can help reduce stress and anxiety and bring a greater sense of satisfaction. The best time to consume green coffee for weight loss. The best time to consume green coffee for weight loss is usually before meals and before exercise. Also, consuming green coffee in the morning can help increase metabolism and energy throughout the day. The way to consume green coffee is as follows. You should grind the green coffee and pour 1 to 2 teaspoons into a large glass of boiling water at each consumption. Let it brew for 5 to 10 minutes and then drink it. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it was interesting for you.